In this video, we'll see the recipe of loaded cheesy French fries with delicious cheese sauce. So this is going to be similar to what we get at Burger King. Let's get started. For this recipe, we need 4 medium-sized potatoes. It's very important to pick the right type of potatoes. So these are the dirty ones which have soil on them and have thin skin. So these are washed, that's why you don't see a lot of soil. But it's very important to pick the right potatoes, the newer variety of potatoes. Now I'm going to peel them. Basically, these potatoes have high starch content. Your regular waxy potatoes are low in starch, and that's why the French fries turn red in color by the time you fry them and they turn crispy. And as soon as you take them out, after some time they turn soft and become soggy. So right variety of potato is the best choice to make French fries. If you have a French fries cutter or French fries maker, you can use that. I do not have that yet. Yes, I say yet because I might buy it. So I cut it using a knife. So while you're doing it, you need to drop these into water. Boil the potatoes, bring some water to a boil and add some salt. It's important to boil these, and that's going to give the French fries the right texture. You don't need to boil it a lot till it's completely cooked, like partially cooked 50 to 60%. When I say 50 to 60% cooked, that is the potatoes would be cooked, but when you eat it, you would get a slight bite. And it's important your potatoes should not easily break. Once the potatoes are done, do not let them sit in the water for a longer period. Immediately take them out onto a cotton cloth. I suggest using cotton cloth because it quickly absorbs the water and moisture. Now cover with another cotton cloth, if the same cloth is long, you can just wipe the French fries using the same cloth. At this stage, the potato French fries would look flexible, and if you just wiggle it, and it would be wiggly. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons corn flour and just dust like this, the way I did. And drop these into hot oil. When I say hot oil at high temperature. Flash fry or first fry these at high flame for 1 minute. This would make your French fries really nice and crisp, just like we get in McDonald's and in any other outlet. So I'm first flash frying at high flame for 1 minute. These are still soft. At this stage, you can store these, spread these in a steel plate, freeze, and then put in an airtight container. Would last good up to a month or so. But I'm going to fry these right away. Again, very hot oil, that is hot oil at high flame. Fry the French fries at high flame till these turn crispy, and you would notice, because you chose the right variety of potato with high starch content, your French fries would not turn red in color. They would have the nice golden color similar to what we get at cafes, McDonald's, Burger King and outlets like these. You need to repeat the same step with all the French fries. Perfect color, perfect crispness, that is crisp on the outside and soft inside, just like what we get outside. For the sauce, heat 1 teaspoon butter in a pan and then add 1 small sized finely chopped onion. Trust me, this onion is going to give this sauce a very amazing taste, so do not skip it. Once the onions turn slightly golden in color, add a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of red chili powder. Stir it for 5 to 10 seconds at low flame or low heat, and then drop in 2 tablespoons milk. And now 2 cheese slices, or you can use 1½ cheese cube. Keep the flame low and you would notice that the cheese sauce would thicken. At this stage, you can add 2 tablespoons mozzarella cheese. This is optional, but if you have it, you can add mozzarella cheese. And just stir it for 5 to 10 seconds and immediately pour on the French fries. You can also add some chili flakes like this, or you can add chili sauce, or you can add tomato ketchup on top. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.